Alright, today I am going to be making ramen noodles with a little kick to it. So right here I have ramen noodles. Alright, you see these ramen noodles? I cooked them, added seasoning, then drained the water. And I'll tell you why. Because I didn't need that much flavoring, because I'm going to add flavoring to these ramen noodles. Okay? So I have the bowl of ramen noodles right here. And what I'm going to add today is Sriracha. Sriracha, okay? I'm going to add Sriracha today to this recipe, all right? It's spelled S-R-I-R-A-C-H-A. I'm going to add Sriracha to my ramen noodles, okay? And so what I'm going to do is, I like to, when I add ramen noodles, I just go like this. You see that? Make a little pattern right there. And I eat them. But some people don't like that. Some people like the Sriracha mixed in, okay? So they take their fork and they stir it like that to make sure all of the noodles have a consistent coating of the sauce. All right? So I have the sauce on there, and then I'm going to add a little bit more of the sauce because I like it spicy, so it's consistently all the way through. And now I'm adding some on top. And that's how you make ramen noodles with this sauce. Let me know if you have any questions.